Hello and welcome to my daily devotional for Saturday the 7th of March. Our Bible reading comes from Matthew 27 verses 33 to 34. And having come to a place called Golgotha, which means a place of skull, they gave him wine to drink, mixed with gall, and having tasted it, he didn't want to drink it. Now, Golgotha is also known as Calvary, which is the Greek word for Golgotha. It is thought that it was a small mount, which was a short distance outside the city wall. It is suggested that the reason why it was called the place of the skull was because it was where the bones of the skulls and of those who had been executed were left exposed to the elements. Another widely accepted suggestion is that the mount was shaped like a human skull. The location is now within the city walls of Jerusalem, and it is suggested that it is either the Church of the Sepulchre or Dome of the Rock in the Mosque of El Aqsa. Both sites were originally outside the city wall, but Agrippa II built an extended wall that brought both sites within the city wall. The Mount of Golgotha was chosen for execution so that people from within the city would be able to see those being crucified. And this would have served to remind people of the consequences of the crimes committed by those who had been crucified. Jesus gave a prophecy in John 12:32. He said, "And if I am lifted up from the earth, I will draw all men to myself." This was a prophecy that was fulfilled as he was lifted up on the cross, and he was visible not only by those who stood near the cross, but also by many within the city. A major aspect of the preaching of the gospel of Jesus is that he was lifted up on the cross. Indeed, the death of Jesus on the cross, his resurrection, and his ascension into heaven must always be central to the preaching of the gospel. So today, let us give thanks to God that he sent Jesus to die, be buried, and be raised to reign with him, so that we can have eternal life. Have a blessed day.